Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for DigitalOcean managed databases. DigitalOcean managed databases is a service that allows you to easily create and manage databases in the cloud without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure. To get started, it is essential to choose the right database engine for your needs. DigitalOcean managed databases supports a range of database engines, including PostgreSQL, MySQL, and Redis. When selecting a database engine, consider factors such as data structure, scalability, and compatibility with your application. Once you have chosen your database engine, you need to create a database cluster. A database cluster is a group of database nodes that work together to provide a highly available and scalable database service. When creating a database cluster, make sure to choose the right node size and configuration for your needs. Security is a critical aspect of database management. To ensure the security of your database, make sure to enable encryption at rest and in transit. You should also restrict access to your database by configuring firewall rules and setting up authentication and authorization. Regular backups are essential for disaster recovery and business continuity. DigitalOcean managed databases provides automated backup features that allow you to easily schedule and manage backups. Make sure to configure backups to run at regular intervals and to store them in a secure location. Monitoring and logging are critical for database performance and troubleshooting. DigitalOcean managed databases provides built-in monitoring and logging features that allow you to track database performance and identify issues. Make sure to configure monitoring and logging to meet your needs and to set up alerts and notifications for critical issues. Finally, it is essential to optimize database performance for optimal application performance. This can be achieved by configuring database parameters, indexing tables, and optimizing queries. Make sure to regularly review database performance and to make adjustments as needed. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your DigitalOcean managed databases are secure, scalable, and performant. Remember to choose the right database engine. Create a database cluster. Enable security features. Configure backups. Monitor and log database activity. And optimize database performance.